Hi, I'm John Gurnig, ASE Master Certified Tech from the Fel-Pro Field Test Garage in Skokie, Illinois, the home of Fel-Pro Gaskets. As you know, all Fel-Pro gaskets, we design them for the repair environment. We design them to help seal those imperfect sealing surfaces that you're going to find out there in the aftermarket. But part of the job, part of a successful repair is fasteners. You need those fasteners to help ensure that your job that you're doing, it gets put back correctly and that it is a long-lasting repair. Many times fasteners are overlooked. You're going to reuse them, and in today's environment, that's not something that you want to do. So on the bench here, I have a wide variety of fasteners that we offer to help you get a successful repair on your customer's car. So let's start with head bolts. As you know, many of the engines today, they require torque to yield head bolts. Those are head bolts that cannot be reused. Once you pull them out, you need to toss them. We offer head bolts in obviously a wide variety of shapes and sizes, thread sizes, and some of them come with pre-applied sealer on the threads and under the head of the washer. Whatever the job might be, make sure you consult the OE specs as far as the torque specs and the torque sequence, as well as whatever lube might need to be applied to the threads of the bolts and under the heads of the washers. Another offering that we have, that is our intake bolts. Now these particular bolts here, these are for the GM3134. As you can see, they come with a pre-applied thread locker already on them. As you know, GM requires you to use thread locker on the threads of these bolts. So that means you need to clean the old stuff off and reapply the new stuff. We've already done the work for you. Take out those old bolts, toss them, install new ones. Those bolts have thousands of cycles on them. This way you can install your customer's engine, install the intake back on there with confidence and not have to worry about a comeback. Our latest offering is exhaust manifold and exhaust fasteners. As you can see, I have a wide variety of different fasteners here on the bench. We're offering fasteners for the manifold to head joint as well as for the exhaust flange joint. You can see that they're blue in color. Well, that's an exclusive coating that we apply on the bolts to help them install easier. And if for some reason you have to do a job down the road, helps them come out easier as well. Many of the nuts or the fasteners, they're self-locking, so that way you don't have to worry about them coming apart down the road. Many of you know on the GMLS engine, that last exhaust bolt, it likes to shear off. So if you're doing a head gasket job on an LS or perhaps a car comes in with an exhaust leak, we offer a complete set of exhaust bolts for that job. So that way, when you put it back together, you don't have to worry about a comeback. So remember for your next sealing job, not to reuse the fasteners. Use Fel-Pro fasteners that way when you're putting your customer's engine back together, it'll be installed with confidence. You don't have to worry about a comeback. For more sealing tips and all our sealing products, visit our website at felpro.com. Remember to install the gaskets at Professionals Trust. That's Fel-Pro. I'm John Gurnig from the Fel-Pro Field Test Garage. Thanks for watching.